Hey guys, how's it going? How to see GoDaddy website traffic. So to see your GoDaddy website traffic, go to the official website of GoDaddy and then go to your product page. Click on your name at the upper right, then my products, and then select your website. Under the web hosting and website builder section, find your website and click manage, and then you can access analytics for the website builder. Click on edit site and then go to insights or analytics section, and then for the cPanel hosting, use a tool like Outstats or Google Analytics. Go to the cPanel, find metrics, and then select our stats, and then this will show you the traffic data of your website. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.